everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays. In today's episode, we'll discuss a revolutionary new technology in 3D printing, the Stratasys Infinite Build. 3D printing has provided a means to produce highly accurate parts in a variety of build sizes. Nonetheless, there has always been a ceiling, or cap, on the size of a part, making 3D printing infeasible for certain processes. Rather than printing layer by layer in an enclosed build chamber, the solution uses an infinite build approach by literally turning the 3D printer on its side with an open chamber. Parts are printed on a horizontal plane, resulting in practically unlimited part size in the build direction. The infinite build uses micro pellets the size of grains of sand rather than traditional filament. They can be refilled by robotic arms, allowing for lights-out operation for extended periods of time. The extrusion process can produce parts at 10 times faster than current FDM technology. Boeing has collaborated with Stratasys in defining the aerospace requirements and specifications for the demonstrator. They are currently using it to explore the production of low-volume, refined production parts. Ford has also collaborated with Stratasys, and a machine has been installed at their Research and Innovation Center in Dearborn, Michigan. They're using it to print large tools, fixtures, and other components. While the platform is still primarily used for rapid prototyping, Ford sees a potential use in the future to produce parts used on final vehicles. These parts would be lighter in nature, improving overall fuel efficiency and opening up unique design possibilities. While fixed build sizes and slower speeds have limited 3D printing's use in production, this platform could form the groundwork for 3D printing in factories of the future. Well, that's it for this week's episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.